an interactive speaking lesson. Hey there, I've got a super cool question for you. Imagine meeting someone totally awesome, someone different from anyone you've ever met before. How would you feel? What would you ask them? What do you think they'd ask you? Let's practice talking to new people while listening to a wild story. It is so unbelievable. Read what happened and tell me, do you think the story is unreal or is your leg being pulled? And why? One more thing before I begin. When we want to describe people, places, and things, we use special words called adjectives. For example, I met a boy. Boring. I met this super cool boy. Exciting, yes? My dog is strange. Boring. My dog always sniffs people's shoes to tell whether or not he likes them. If he likes them, he wags his tail. If he doesn't like them, he'll... You finish the rest. What do you think he does? Hello there. I'm Faru. And I'm Felix. What's your first name? Wow, that's a great name. I spell my name F-A-R-U. I spell my name F-E-L-I-X. Can you spell your name? Wow! What a great name!
Wow!
I am 3 years old. I am 9 years old. How old are you? Wow! That is amazing! We live in the United States. Where do you live? Fantastic!
Wow!
Listen carefully to our story. One day, I decided to go for a walk with my puppy. We met a boy new to our neighborhood. He wanted to play with my dog, but my dog is shy. My dog started to sniff the stranger. She thought the boy had a good smell. After sniffing the boy, she realized he was a good person. Then she took a selfie of the new friendship. Believable or not? Comment below. Now, let's use adjectives to learn more about you. Are you funny? Why? Are you brave? Why? Are you kind? Why? Are you sporty? Why? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make suggestions. What kind of lesson would you like to see next? Bye.